Here at Meal Prep Sunday, we care about the environment and the planet we live in. So we try to apply several procedures to our services that help us become more friendly to the environment. Here are some methods we follow. All of our ingredients are locally sourced. This helps decrease carbon footprint and prevents the ingredients from going through multiple distributors. By purchasing locally sourced ingredients, we help maintain farmland, green, and open space in our community. Also, benefits to buying from local supplies means more support for our local economy. If we outsource and buy from distributors outside of our country, the money we pay will benefit their economy rather than ours. So staying local and buying from companies here will benefit our local workers and keep the local economy cycle going. Benefits with our delivery is that everything comes from one source, meaning your food for the week comes from Meal Prep Sunday, then straight to you without any hassle of driving to other places to eat. Usually, someone who cooks at home would have to go out and drive to several different grocery stores and markets to shop for ingredients. Other times, people will make extra trips to eat takeout or go to different restaurants. But with Meal Prep Sunday, you don't need to worry about preparation or going out. All your meals for the entire week comes from one place and will be delivered straight to your door, which helps prevent you from driving a lot. When grocery shopping, a lot of plastic is used, not just from grocery bags, but from packaging ingredients and products as well. To help decrease plastic waste, we provide usable thermal bags and ice packs that keep your meals cool for up to 4 hours. Choosing Meal Prep Sunday also helps prevent from eating takeout where there is a lot of plastic waste used like utensils, bags, cups, and other packaging that's not good for the environment. So with Meal Prep Sunday, we make sure everything we use is either recyclable or reusable. To also help decrease plastic waste, our containers we use are BPA-free and recyclable, along with the plastic film seal, which helps to keep oxygen out that prevents your food from aging faster and keeps it fresh for 7 days. We make sure all of our packaging is environmentally friendly. To help the environment, we make sure to increase local suppliers and prevent outsourcing. When doing this, not only does it help reduce CO2 from outsourced distributors, but it also helps support and give more business to local suppliers. If we bought from suppliers outside of the country, the ingredients will go through multiple distributors causing CO2 and air pollution, and doing this will cause the quality of our meals to go down. Buying from local suppliers, ingredients come straight to us with no middleman, and we help reduce carbon footprint. We produce better quality in the meals we make, and buying from local suppliers gives us better conditions to work in. And those are the methods we follow to be more friendly to the environment. Thinking about trying Meal Prep Sunday? Get 50% off your first order using the code FIRST.